Hey, what's going on? Good evening, my beautiful folks out there. Thank you for clicking that play button. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, hitting the thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. This video, yes, is about the 240. You're gonna see some clips where there's two young gentlemen. I'm showing them how to do bondo and plastic roll. They are my sons, and you will be properly introduced. But anyway, kick panel, front right side, is done. Hope you can see that. Inside and out, complete. A-pillar with triple gauge pod is pretty much done. Door panels, if you saw the black marks in the beginning of the video, we just got to touch that up. And then the right side panel, we got to touch that up also. But anyway, yes, this is about the 240 in this video. Might be a little lengthy. I hope you guys enjoy it though. Hold tight. So you can see here the intake that Ralph powder coated for me. That's the top half, bottom half. We didn't do the bottom half because it's not really going to be seen. So, but getting that ready to take to the shop. And what else? Hold on. And here we have a intercooler. Snagged it up for the Lolo. It is not what I plan to go with, but this is Jeremiah, this is Junior. Yes, they're my skinny versions. But I taught them how to mix bondo, so we're gonna see how good they do it here. And get this door panel done. They sanded the other one yesterday. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. All right, what's my plate? That's sloppy. I thought I was recording the whole time, but it wasn't. So you guys missed all that. But this is what they did so far. While this is hardening, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show them how to plastic roll real quick and show them how to put this piece together.